Hey, good evening, folks. Quick one. We are in and we are out. So, Jen at tin-tackers.com, because I get like VIP status, which means I still pay for all my own gear, but she gives me heads up when stuff's getting ready to pop. And in return, I'm nice enough to share it with you. So, in case you want to get some tackers, you can go hit up Jen and the crew. They're running a sale. They have 12 tackers up at $10 a piece. Usually they retail somewhere between like 20 and 30 bucks. Just saying. I excuse me. I ordered two before the sale dropped because they do a tacker of the week. And so those came in, and I'll have two more coming in that I bought off the sale. So these are the ones from Tacker of the Week. We got Two Frogs Brewing. Two Frogs Brewing. I thought that was kind of cool. Established 2017 at Tarpon Springs, Florida. But I like the frogs, man. I think the frogs are cool. So I got that one. That was the one that I ordered. It was the Tacker of the Week. I think it was like 20 bucks. Don't quote me, man. My brains are shot. But if you sign up, you'll get it in your email. And then I ordered a mystery because for 10 bucks I always order a mystery box. It helps clear out their back stock, and sometimes I get really cool stuff like Mirror Image Brewing Company. I don't know where they're out of. It looks like maybe Washington because it's got that big old mountain in there, but it could be Montana or Alaska. I have no friggin' idea, dude. But it could be Canadian for all I know. I like it though. The colors are funky. So when you open it up, you will get a thank you and an offer to join their club. You know, I really do like that one and that one. So I gotta keep an eye out to see if they go up on sale. When I got some scratch laying around, I will order them. You also get a complimentary sticker. Or at least I do. I don't know about the rest of you. I might be special. I don't think so, though. And then with the receipt, if I can find my eyes, because I am old and blind. Yeah, it doesn't tell me what I paid, which is fine, because I paid and I don't really care. But with the receipt, you get a little handwritten note. Thank you, Eric. Cheers, Laura. Thank you, Laura. You know, you don't see crap like that anymore. Every now and again when I'm doing shipping, if somebody orders something really cool that I really like, I'll throw a little handwritten note in there too. Like, dude, good call. It's just an excellent pick. Love this. Enjoy. Something like that. Because people like that shit. You know how I know people like that shit? Because I like that shit. And so I just assume. That's it. I mean, fit and finish is always nice. These are, dude, freaking busy, man. These are, of course, metal, not plastic. They are not steel. I'm assuming aluminum, since tin isn't cheap to come by. And you can see that the Two Frogs is actually coated on the back as well. That's pretty nice, man. So that's kind of high-end. Fit and finish is always nice. Shipping, they're not far from me. They're just up in Black Canyon City. So, I mean, to me, 1-2 days it usually takes to get here, depending on the mail service. But I like them, and I use them all the time. I got to get that outside wall, the one in the backyard that we shoot against every now and again. I got to get that one done. And so Mills, who is, of course, my work daughter, in case you've seen the older videos, said, "Oh, I'll come over and I'll help you pick out stuff to put up there." And I'm like, ugh. Yeah, actually, probably not a bad idea to have her come in and help. Although, you know, I got a lot of nice ones in here I don't want to get rid of. Last thing, they're having a sale. 12 tackers, $10 a piece, okay? And you can go through. I ordered two of those. I will tell you what I ordered right now because I have the page pulled up. Kincaid Brewing Company. I have to drink their beer at some point because their Tackers are always up here for some reason. So, Camp Crush, $10. And Magic Rabbit by Cleveland Whiskey Distillery. That one's actually cool. And I've been waffling on that one, but $10, man, come on. So it was worth the $10. The two of them out the door and shipped to me. $8.99 for shipping, 14 cents for Maricopa County tax, bastards. $1.12 for Arizona state tax, bastards. For a grand total of $30.25. Okay. I've spent $30 on worse things, trust me. I spent $12 on 4 bottles of Mexican Coke today because the neighbor wanted to have a pizza party, so he bought the pizza. I said, okay, you buy the pizza, I'll get the drinks. So we drank Mexican Coke, and actually it's a pretty good pizza, which is impressive for Arizona. But that's what I got for you, my friends. So if you're interested and you're needy, go look up Jen and the crew. They've always taken good care of me. They're always packaged bomb-proof. I've never gotten a damaged product from them. I have from other breweries, though, where they don't pack them so nicely. So something to keep in mind. I will catch you on the next one, my friends. But until then, I want you to be the big 3. You know that. You know you're my people and I love you. So I want you healthy, happy, safe, honorable, dutiful, vigilant, gray man, head on a swivel, hot and handy if it's applicable for you and that's the way you want to go, but then everything is on you. Make sure you know what the fuck you're doing. Yeah, we're not going to get into anything deep here. This is just an unbox. So I will catch you on the next one. Like I said, I've got 2 more coming. I'll show them to you when they get here. And then as we start doing the outside wall, we'll give you a look. In the meantime,